Mm. 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 I love food. Wow.
Yeah, man. This is the Dagan Soro. Arachuga in the house. Kapuku Digit in the house. Wow. Yeah.
This is the joyride with the rainbow goddess, the rainbow goddess.
This is the joyride with the rainbow goddess, the rainbow goddess.
Hello there, and welcome to Joyride with the Rainbow Goddess. I'm Itzel, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a sweet soy glaze. This week's recipe is a precursor to next week's, because next week I will be teaching you how to make my version of okonomiyaki, which is a Japanese vegetable pancake. And the pancake gets this sweet soy glaze on top. It also gets sriracha mayo and pickled ginger and green onions and sesame seeds. Oh, it's so good. It's one of my favorite things to make. Now, this sauce does have many uses. I like having it with vegetable dumplings or stir fries or fried tofu and many more things, which I will include suggestions in my description below, as well as I will include different variations of how to make glazes, we could say. Basically, in this video, you're going to learn a technique that you can apply to a wide variety of sauces. Ready to get started? Let's head to the kitchen. So I'm going to start with half a cup of water, a quarter cup of sugar, a quarter cup of tamari, which is organic and gluten-free soy sauce, a quarter cup of ketchup, and a third of a teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice. Then I'm just going to whisk that together, and I'm going to let it come to a boil before adding the cornstarch. Meanwhile that comes to a boil, I'm going to make my cornstarch mix. I did 2 tablespoons of water, and I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of organic cornstarch. And you want to make sure that you put the water down first and then mix in the cornstarch. And make sure that your cornstarch is well mixed and none of it is in clumps. Now, this has only been on for about a minute and it's already coming to a boil. I'm going to just give it a tiny little whisk. And it'll probably only take another 30 seconds for it to completely come to a boil. Okay, now that it's come to a boil, I'm going to slowly pour in my cornstarch mix while whisking. And I'm going to keep whisking slowly for about 30 seconds before I turn off the heat. Okay, great. And it has already thickened up quite a bit. You will see its full and final viscosity once it has cooled down. So you could leave it in the pot to cool down, or if you want to cool it down faster, I would suggest moving it to a metal bowl. Don't forget to look at my description below to find 2 more recipes using the same technique, one which will be soy free, and a few serving suggestions. Can't wait to try it. So I put the sweet soy glaze in the okonomiyaki mix and on top of it. So stay tuned for next week's video to learn how to make okonomiyaki by the Rainbow Goddess. I feel like this is my favorite mix of flavors. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know what you think in the comments, or if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. I'm here to serve you, and I'd love to hear from you. And give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, you can do that now. I put up a video every single Monday, and I'd love to see you back here. Thank you so much. Have a healthy, happy life. Yeah!